Why everything's crooked? Everything's crooked. Whoa, stop the clock. Where are you bringing your vehicle? Who are you trusting? 6 consecutive years I have won awards. My clients can tell you, I deliver what I promise. Do you like scrubbing bugs? I don't. Do you like spending half a day cleaning your vehicle? I don't. Do you like all them little spider webs and weird swirly scratchies all over your car? I don't. Wait a minute, do you even know what they look like? I do. I'll show you, and I'll get rid of it. I'll fix your car, it'll look better than brand new. And I can guarantee you, after 1, 2, 3 years, you won't have that swirling going on. This BMW is gonna join that club. What did I do? Ceramic Pro Gold, bam. Oh, it's on the windows. Oh, it's on all that little plastic stuff. Oh, it's on the rims. Oh, 4 layers of 9H on the paint, 1 layer of top coat. On top of that, boom, Mother Nature's gonna try to do everything she can to mess up the clear coat, but blue, I can guarantee you that it's gonna stay looking brand new.